Question number 1. State bird of West Bengal is A. White-throated kingfisher. B. White-winged wood duck. C. Great hornbill. D. Greater flamingo. Answer. White-throated kingfisher. Question number 2. State bird of Uttarakhand is A. Flame-throated bulbul. B. Indian paradise flycatcher. C. Black francolin. D. Himalayan monal. Answer. Himalayan monal. Question number 3. State bird of Uttar Pradesh is A. Hill myna. B. House sparrow. C. Western tragopan. D. Sarus crane. Answer. Sarus crane. Question number 4. State bird of Tripura is A. Indian roller. B. Yellow-footed green pigeon. C. Green imperial pigeon. D. Bleats tragopan. Answer. Green imperial pigeon. Question number 5. State bird of Telangana is A. Rose-ringed parakeet. B. Asian koil. C. White-winged wood duck. D. Indian roller. Answer. Indian roller. Question number 6. State bird of Tamil Nadu is A. Indian paradise flycatcher. B. House sparrow. C. Emerald dove. D. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Answer. Emerald dove. Question number 7. State bird of Sikkim is A. Black francolin. B. Blood pheasant. C. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. D. Flame-throated bulbul. Answer. Blood pheasant. Question number 8. State bird of Rajasthan is A. Great Indian bustard. B. Great hornbill. C. Greater flamingo. D. Western tragopan. Answer. Great Indian bustard. Question number 9. State bird of Punjab is A. Rose-ringed parakeet. B. Northern goshawk. C. Indian roller. D. Great Indian bustard. Answer. Northern goshawk. Question number 10. State bird of Odisha is A. Indian roller. B. Himalayan monal. C. House sparrow. D. Western tragopan. Answer. Indian roller. Question number 11. State bird of Nagaland is A. Blood pheasant. B. Bleats tragopan. C. Great hornbill. D. Flame-throated bulbul. Answer. Bleats tragopan. Question number 12. State bird of Mizoram is A. Bleats tragopan. B. White-winged wood duck. C. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. D. Sarus crane. Answer. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Question number 13. State bird of Meghalaya is A. Himalayan monal. B. Great hornbill. C. Hill myna. D. Asian koil. Answer. Hill myna. Question number 14. State bird of Manipur is A. Emerald dove. B. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. C. Indian roller. D. Green imperial pigeon. Answer. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. Question number 15. State bird of Maharashtra is A. Mrs. Hume's pheasant. B. Northern goshawk. C. Yellow-footed green pigeon. D. Blood pheasant. Answer. Yellow-footed green pigeon. Question number 16. State bird of Madhya Pradesh is A. Western tragopan. B. Great hornbill. C. Indian paradise flycatcher. D. White-throated kingfisher. Answer. Indian paradise flycatcher. Question number 17. State bird of Kerala is A. Great hornbill. B. House sparrow. C. Greater flamingo. D. Emerald dove. Answer. Great hornbill. Question number 18. State bird of Karnataka is A. Black francolin. B. Indian roller. C. Great Indian bustard. D. Rose-ringed parakeet. Answer. Indian roller. Question number 19. State bird of Jharkhand is A. Yellow-footed green pigeon. B. White-winged wood duck. C. Asian koil. D. Bleats tragopan. Answer. Asian koil. Question number 20. State bird of Himachal Pradesh is A. Indian roller. B. Western tragopan. C. Northern goshawk. D. Great Indian bustard. Answer. Western tragopan. Question number 21. State bird of Haryana is A. Rose-ringed parakeet. B. House sparrow. C. Great hornbill. D. Black francolin. Answer. Black francolin. Question number 22. State bird of Gujarat is A. Indian roller beak northern goshawk, C. Greater flamingo, D. hill myna. Answer. Greater flamingo. Question number 23. State bird of Goa is A. Flame-throated bulbul, B. White-winged wood duck, C. Mrs. Hume's pheasant, D. Yellow-footed green pigeon. Answer. Flame-throated bulbul. Question number 24. State bird of Chhattisgarh is A. Indian paradise flycatcher, B. hill myna, C. house sparrow, D. western tragopan. Answer. Hill myna. Question number 25. State bird of Bihar is A. Asian koil, B. flame-throated bulbul, C. house sparrow, D. greater flamingo. Answer. House sparrow. Question number 26. State bird of Assam is A. white-winged wood duck, B. black francolin, C. yellow-footed green pigeon, D. bleats tragopan. Answer. White-winged wood duck. Question number 27. State bird of Arunachal Pradesh is A. white-throated kingfisher, B. hillmyna, C. Indian roller, D. great hornbill. Answer. Great hornbill. Question number 28. State bird of Andhra Pradesh is A. white-winged wood duck, B. rose-ringed parakeet, C. flame-throated bulbul, D. sarus crane. Answer. Rose-ringed parakeet.